Hi team. So today we will learn how we can create a calculator using C Sharp. So basically this type of calculator we will design and then we will code on this calculator on this form. So I will show you how to create a calculator in the two part. In the first part I will show how we can design this form, and then the second part I will show you how we can code on it. Okay, so let's start with the designing. So for designing I will take a new form. Okay, so file, new, and project. From templates we have to choose Windows Form app, then we have to name it calculator. So you can put any name, and then location we have to choose, and then next. Then we have to take a framework name, select a framework. So I have taken the recent one. Then create. So the previous, it's asking to save the previous project. So I'm clicking on the don't save. I don't need to save it. Okay, so let's wait for one moment until this form is loaded. So this form is open. So little bit I will resize it. Okay, and first of all I will select the properties of this form. For that I have to right click on the form and then click on the properties, and then I will change the form name from form 1 to calculator. Okay, then form name is okay. The second property I need to change, that is the maximize. Okay, so I need to disable the maximize button. So I am clicking on the maximize and set as a false. And the third options I will change the start position. I want to start this form in the middle of the screen, so I will choose it as a center screen. So let's start this project and see what the changes happen. So the first property I have done, I have changed the form name. The second I have aligned it in the center screen, the start position in the center of the screen. And the third properties I have disabled this maximize button. Okay, now we will start to designing a form. So first of all I will design a label. For that I have to click this toolbox, then click on the label. Okay, and in the top of the form I will align a label. So what we need to change here, I will change the font of this label because little bit small. So I will align to 11, and then I will set as a true. Okay, I think 10 is also okay. Okay, then what we will do, so we have to remove this label. So the default label is text, I have to remove it. Okay, or the second thing is we have to design a text box where we will show the result. So before this I will change one more property of this label, the label name lbl current well. Okay, or you can mark it as lbl current. And it should be start from, just a second, it's not moving. So what we can do, we can again label, we will assign label, then we can move it. Okay, and remove this label because we don't require it. Okay, the second thing we will set as a multi-line. and we will change this size of this form, this text box. Okay, and the default value of this 0, it's coming in the left side, so I will align to the right. Okay, then we will change the font from 9 to 10 and bold true. Okay, it looks good. And the label, the text box name, I will change it. It should be relevant, so here the result will happen. So text, I will mark it text for text box and result. Okay, then we will design the uh, buttons. So for that I will take a button. Again I have to resize it. We have to design this font on this button. So I will mark it as button, BUTTON button. Okay, then I have to change the text. It should be 0 by default. First is the 0. First button is 0. The second font size. Okay, so it looks pretty much good. We can also change the font color of this button. So where is the color? For color, and for color is black enough. It's good, looking good. And where is the background color? Back color we can. Okay, I think it looks good. Okay, so I have to create the same button, so I will copy paste it. Okay, so 4 buttons I required, and I more required 5 rows. 1, 2, copy paste, then 3, then 4, then 5. Okay, and then resize the form. Then what we need to do, we have to change the label of the buttons. So it should dot, then wait a moment, should 1, second one is 2. So for that we have to change the label property of text property of every button. 3, 4, I think 4 is 4, 5, 6, Okay, then 7, sorry, 7 should start from here. 7, 8, 9. Okay, then we can do percent here. This should be equal, then plus should be minus, should be star, then should be percent. Okay, and two more button is required here, so I will remove the one. So we can do one thing, we can align the, no, it's okay, it's good. So we need to change the position of this two button. Give me a moment. So one should be the clear button and the second should be the backspace button. This looks good. So this is the clear AC and this is the backspace button. So for backspace I have to remove the text option and I have to import one image. Okay, so sorry, I have downloaded one image in my desktop icon, one left image. Okay, so this is the form we have designed it. Let's check how it's look like. Yeah, it looks great. Okay, thank you very much. Our designing is completed. In the next session, in the next video, we will do the coding on all this button and how we will create this form. We will extend this calculator and we will write the code on it. Okay, thank you very much.